Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create GIF in Canva. So for this, I am here on canva.com. So I already created these 4 slides here. Let's create another one just to show you. As I click on this new one, okay, so I just copy paste this sentence here, adjust the size, and from here I will change the color of the text. Let's change it to purple. And then I will repeat the same process in the multiple slides. Again, I will change the color of the text here. Let's go with the green one here. So once you created multiple slides, now here on the top side we have this share option. Click on share. Now the next thing that we need to adjust is duration. Click on duration, and here we need to adjust this duration as 0.2 seconds. Once you set the duration, enable apply to all pages and it will automatically apply to all pages. I think the slides are less, so I will duplicate the page here. Okay, so now click on share and now click on download option. So once you click on this download button, here we have the file type PNG. So you need to choose GIF here. Click on GIF and now click on download. Now here it will take few seconds to download. Now let me show you how it looks like. So in this way you can create GIF on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.